एंड आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले यूजीसी नेट 2020 के पेपर 1 के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो जो योगा के सेट के साथ आए थे। तो आइए देखते हैं। जो पहला क्वेश्चन था वो था डीआई से। सो द फॉलोइंग टेबल शोज द नंबर ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर प्रिंटेड एज शोन इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट एंड द नंबर ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एट डिफरेंट सिटीज ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डेट। आंसर द क्वेश्चन 1 to 5. Question number 1 was what is the percentage of distributed newspaper compared to printed newspaper? तो यहाँ पे जो है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड और प्रिंटेड न्यूज़पेपर का परसेंटेज निकालना था और जो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 1 दैट इज 83.5%. Question number 2. What is the percentage of distributed newspaper C in all the cities as compared to total number of newspaper distributed? Total number of newspaper distributed में जो परसेंटेज है न्यूज़पेपर C का वो कितना है, ये यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया था। तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है 17.36%. ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट इज द रेशियो ऑफ टोटल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड पेपर टू टोटल न्यूज़पेपर प्रिंटेड? टोटल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड और प्रिंटेड न्यूज़पेपर का जो है यहाँ पे रेशियो निकालना था, जिसका करेक्ट आंसर है 167:200 दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. इन विच सिटी द distribution of paper is minimum? The correct answer is option number 4 that is Varanasi. Question number 5. What is the ratio of distribution of newspaper A to newspaper B? Ratio newspaper A और newspaper B का यहाँ पे पूछा गया था और इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो ऑप्शन नंबर 3 19:15. Question number 6. In photovoltaic system or PV system, arrange the following from smallest to the largest unit. तो यहाँ पे 4 कंटेंट्स दिए गए हैं, इनको जो है हमको फोटोवोल्टिक सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग स्मॉलेस्ट से लार्जेस्ट में अरेंज करना था। तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 4 दैट इज CABD. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. स्टेटमेंट. Statement 1. Ability of an individual or group implies the component of knowledge, skill and experience. Statement 2. Willingness of an individual or group implies the component of confidence, commitment and motivation. So the correct information about this statements are option number 1 that is both statement 1 and 2 are correct. तो ये जो है option number 1 ये इसका correct answer है. Question number 8. A researcher intends to find out the differences in motivational outlook of the first degree level students in terms of their belongingness to rural or urban areas and the educational status of parents. What will be the dependent variable in this study? ये जो है रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड का क्वेश्चन है जहाँ पे डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल पूछा गया है इस सिनेरियो में. तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 4 दैट इज मोटिवेशनल आउटलुक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Given below are the two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. So assertion is effective communicators align appearance with body language and tone. Reason was such an alignment forms a part of art of persuasion. So the correct answer is option number 1 that is both assertion and reason are correct and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. Question number 10. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and another is labeled as reason. So assertion was since the perception of hardness is not necessarily connected with its color, it can be said that all the perceptions seen conjoined but never connected. Reason given was causal relationship is always contingent and probable because it is derived from experience. So the correct answer for this is option number 1 that is both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 11. Which of the following statements are true? An algorithm may produce no output. An log expressed in a programming language is called computer program. An log expressed in a graphical form is known as flow chart. An log can have infinite sequence of instructions. तो यहाँ पे जो है हमको मल्टीपल जो ऑप्शंस है वो सेलेक्ट करने थे. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 4 दैट इज B and C आर करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स. Question number 12. Helping individuals and social groups acquire social values contribute to the development of. Correct answer is option number 3 that is environmental attitude. Question number 13. Given below are two propositions, all philosophers are fallible. Hegel is not fallible. In the classical square of opposition, which of the following is the correct option for this? तो यहाँ पे जो है क्लासिकल स्क्वायर ऑफ अपोजिशन के अकॉर्डिंग ये दो सेंटेंसेस के रिलेशंस निकालने थे. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 3, दैट इज कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी. Question number 14. In terms of the relationship indicated below, which word will correctly pair to replace the question mark? Frown, pain, smile. So correct answer is joy. That is option number 1. Question number 15. Match list 1 and 2. List 1 is given the concept and list 2 have given the name of the philosopher. So we have to connect the concept with the correct philosophers. So correct answer for this is option number 2, that is for causality of a priori. Causality of a priori concept was given by Kant. Then causality of synthetic concept was given by Hume. Causality is dialectical was given by Hegel, and causality is material was given by Aristotle. That is option number 2 is the correct answer. Which of the following are contributive to positive influence on teacher-student communication? Making assumptions, limited interaction, fostering sense of belongingness, acknowledging participation, persuasive attitude. तो यहाँ पे हमें जो है एक से ज़्यादा ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करने थे. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 3, दैट इज स्टेटमेंट सी, डी एंड ई आर करेक्ट. Question number 17. Match the list 1 with 2. List 1 have named the toxic and hazardous substances, and list 2 has mentions the major sources of it. So we have to relate that. So the correct option for this is option number 4, that is vinyl chloride is from plastic industrial uses. PCBs are from electrical insulations. Benzopyrene was from waste incinerations, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon is from fuel combustion. That is option number 4 is the correct answer. Question number 18. Again match the list 1 and 2. So it was very easy question, so we will not waste our time for reading the options. So the correct answer for this is option number 2, that is web application 2.0 is from blogs and Twitter. Search engines is Google and Yahoo. Third, system softwares is Windows 8 and iOS. High level languages are C++ and Java. Question number 19. In display technology, CRT stands for. Option number 3 is the correct answer, that is CRT stands for cathode ray tube. Given below are the two statements. Statement 1, when we perform an experiment, then the set of S of all possible outcome is called the sample space. Statement 2, any superset of a sample space is called an event. So the correct option for this is option number 3, that is statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is false. Question number 21. Statement 1. Fundamental research is directed at exploring the applicability of truths and principles already established. Statement 2. Action research aims at ameliorating the ongoing conditions and practices. So the correct option for this is option number 4, that is statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Question number 22. Match the list 1 with 2. So the correct option for this is option number 1, that is planning involves setting goals and objectives. Organizing involves bringing together resources and people. Motivating involves engagement in task of relevant activities, and controlling involves feedback of results and follow up to compare accomplishments. Question number 23. Identify the non-probability sampling procedures from the following. Non-probability sampling procedures from the following: simple random sampling, quota sampling, cluster sampling, snowball sampling, or dimensional sampling. So the correct option for this is option number 3, that is quota sampling, snowball sampling, and dimensional samplings are non-probability samplings. Question number 24. Exposure to excessive noise pollution can cause hearing impairment, insomnia, rise in blood pressure, respiratory diseases, reduced work efficiency. So the correct option for this is option number 4, that is A, B, C, E. Question number 25. A college principal conducts an ethnographic probe into the problems faced by tribal students. Which method of sampling will be most appropriate for this condition? So the cluster sampling is the correct answer for this, because cluster sampling has the ready-made samples, ready-made community, you can say that. Question number 26. CDMA stands for. So the correct option for this is code division multiple access. Question number 27. Identify the correct sequence of the following elements in the latter part of the communication process after decoding: environment, feedback, content, context, or interference. So the correct option for this is option number 4, that is feedback, environment, context, and interference. Question number 28. Match the list 1 and 2. So the correct answer for this is option number 4, that is Montreal Protocol is related to controlling consumption and production of halogens. Kyoto Protocol is related to emission trading. Convention on biodiversity is related to clearing house mechanism, and International Solar Alliance is clean affordable energy. That is option number 4 is the correct answer. Question number 29. Match the list 1 and 2. Type of media with its example we have to match here. So the correct option for this is option number 2, that is synchronous media is telephone, asynchronous media is email, rich media is interactive multimedia, and hypermedia is application of multimedia. Question number 30. In which year All India Council for Technical Education was set up as a statutory body by an act of parliament? So the year was 1987. That is option 2 is the correct answer. Question number 31. The principal responsibilities of academic council in a university includes. Options are maintenance of quality and standards of academic programs, planning, coordination, development, oversight, and review of academic programs of university, laying down the essential qualifications for recruitment of faculty in various disciplines, framing and revising, updating the content of course of various academic programs, approval of fee structure for various academic programs. So the correct option for this is A and B. A and B are the only functions of academic council in university. Question number 32. Statement 1. The two triangles are said to be congruent if their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Statement 2. The two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles and corresponding sides are equal. So the correct option is this for both statement 1 and 2 are false. Question number 33. Given below are the two propositions: some animals are fierce, some animals are not fair. In the classical square of opposition, which one of the following is the correct option? तो अगेन क्लासिकल स्क्वायर ऑफ अपोजिशन से ये क्वेश्चन था, तो इसमें जो है दोनों सेंटेंस जो हैं उनका रिलेशन बताना था स्क्वायर ऑफ अपोजिशन के अकॉर्डिंग. तो इनका जो रिलेशन है वो है सब कॉन्ट्ररी. दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. फाइंड द रॉन्ग नंबर इन द सीरीज 7, 8, 18, 57, 228, 1165, 6996. So the option given was 100 1165, 228, 57 and 18, and the correct answer is 228. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, यदि शिक्षण को सात्यांतक की तरह देखा जाता है तो निम्नलिखित कौन सी प्रक्रिया शिक्षक एवं अधिगमकर्ता के बीच सक्रिय आदान प्रदान में को शामिल करती है? सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस वॉज अनुदेश या इंस्ट्रक्शंस. A pipe normally fills a tank in 12 hours, but due to leak, it takes 8 hours more. If the tank is full, how many hours will the leak take to empty it? So the correct answer is this is option number 3, that is 30. Question number 37. What is the correct sequence from lower to higher for indicating learning outcomes related to affective domain? Receiving, valuing, responding, organization or characterization. So the correct sequence for this is receiving, responding, valuing, organization and characterization. That is option number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 38. Which of the following types of particulate matter pollutants are used in calculation of air quality index, that is AQI? TSP, PM10, PM2.5 or PM1. So the correct answer for this is option number 3, that is B and C, particulate matter 2.5, 10 and particulate matter 2.5. Question number 39. Given below are the two statements, one is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion was the use of ICT has a great potential for optimizing learning outcomes. Reason given was ICT promotes scope for variety, flexibility and attractiveness. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the given options below. So the correct answer is both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 40. Match the list 1 with 2. List 1 and list 2 consist of types of procedure used for continuous appraisal of teaching and non-teaching staff in higher education and characteristics of those appraisal respectively. So the correct option for this is option number 2, that is developmental is related to concern with moral, ethical and professional values. Managerial is concerned with doing and achieving. Laissez-faire is concerned with importance of self-development, and judgmental is concerned with maintenance of social control. So the option number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 41. Distance in interpersonal communication is indicative of one's showmanship, social strategy, culture or business-like approach. So the correct answer for this is culture. Question number 42. Given below are the two statements. Statement 1. External hard disk is a primary memory. Statement 2. In general, pendrives have more storage capacity than external hard disks. So the correct answer for this is both statement 1 or 2 are false. Question number 43. Given below are the two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion given was research ethics and its observance is necessary in the interest of credibility and quality of research. Reason given was the policy making bodies have to be accountable for pursuing research with an eye on promoting excellence. So the correct answer for this is both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 44. What is the remainder when 62 divides 1671? So the correct answer for this is 7, that is option number 4. Question number 45. Which are the characteristics of an effective team in an institution of higher learning? The atmosphere tends to be informal in which member of team are involved. There is a lot of discussion in which everyone participates. task of the group is well understood and accepted by the group members, or the members of group are not afraid of putting forth their ideas, the members of group avoid disagreement and conflict among themselves. So the correct option for this is option number 1, that is A, B, C, D statements are correct. Next question is question number 46 to 50, that is from comprehension. So we can read the passage. Power has been differentiated by numerous authors and practitioners. Amitai Edzoni was among the first to describe individuals who are able to induce other individuals to comply and take actions because of their position in the organization as having position power. Those who derive their power from their followers are considered to have personal power. Some are skilled enough to have both. Position power is the extent to which those people to whom managers report are willingly to delegate authority and responsibility to them. So, position power tends to flow down in an organization. This is not to say that leaders do not have any impact on how much position power they accrue. They certainly do. The confidence and trust they develop with the people around them will often determine the willingness of upper management to delegate to them. Remember, though, that whatever power is delegated downwards can also be taken back. Personal power is the extent to which followers respect, feel good about, and are committed to the leader. They believe that their own needs and goals will be recognized, supported, and facilitated by their leader. As such, personal power in an organizational setting comes from below, from the followers, so flows up in an organization. Personal power is not inherent in the leader. If it were, managers with the personal power could take over any department and have same commitment and rapport they had in their last department. Personal power is a day-to-day phenomena. Personal power is a critical part of having demonstrating emotional intelligence. So from this comprehension we have to answer the questions. Now question number 46 was delegation of power to the managers depend upon. So the correct option for this is the trust option number 4, that is the reposed by the top manager, that is option number 4. Question number 47, the passage recognizes the critical role of. So the correct answer for this is option number 2, that is emotional intelligence to have the personal power. Question number 48, when the individual in an organization asks to their comply with their instruction, it is identified as positional power. That is option number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 49. Personal power emanates from. Emanates from the follower. That is option number 3 is the correct answer. Question number 50. Position power when delegated is. So the correct option for this is volatile. Position power when delegated is volatile. So guys, we have discussed the paper 1 here. If you have not seen our paper 2 discussion, go to our channel and do watch them too. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.